going to believe what just got confiscated off of a cruise ship. And no, it's not what you think. Get ready for today's stories and more here on Life at Sea, cruise news with Luchia and Glenn. This gentleman on Carnival apparently had his bag held back. Turns out security flags a Leatherman tool and a laser flashlight, which for him I guess was totally routine, but not okay for the ship. Said it was embarrassing and kind of get it, but also y'all really, what are you doing packing laser pens on a cruise for? What's the weirdest thing you've ever had confiscated at security? Tell me. I need to know in the comments down below. Norwegian is making a brand new total makeover. That's right. New vibe, new logo, new tagline. It's different out here. Honestly, I'm here for it, but the black logo? I don't know about this. 150 million to go up their private island water park? Maybe. Say less. Still waiting on that drink package though. One poor guy mixed up Port Canaveral with Port Everglades. 3-hour difference. Missed the cruise. Asked to meet the ship in Nassau. They said no. So just know your port when you're getting on a ship, because that would just never happen to us. MSC Poesia just canceled a 10-night cruise with like 3 weeks notice. Dry dock timing issues, refunds plus 50%. FCC though, it's not the worst outcome, but still, ouch. Royal Caribbean has officially pulled Labadee off of all itineraries through 2026. It's still in a level 4 don't travel. I don't know why they didn't do it sooner, because I've been cruising since 2015, and it's always been a do not travel, but if you've had Labadee booked, double check your ports. Norwegian Aura is going to be home porting in Miami starting in 2027. Now, let's talk about this. You're going to go to the Mediterranean first, and then we're going to have another cruise in the Caribbean? Come on. Apparently, it's 30% more suites, Caribbean routes. She's big. Bookings are open. Am I going to run and book it? No. Royal Celebrity and Silversea are letting you know that more loyalty points can be moved now between all three brands. Finally, you don't have to choose about being loyal and bougie. I hope that this has kept you in on the loop on all things cruise, from missed ships and new ships. Like, comment, and follow down below for more cruise chaos. And don't forget to pack wisely. Thank you to Cruise Hive for all of the information on these. We're just bringing you the commentary.